Understanding forecasting tool in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase forecasting tool. This is a common term you might encounter in various fields like business, weather, or even planning personal events. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you grasp its practical application in real-life scenarios. Forecasting tool is a compound noun, where two words combine to form a specific meaning. Let's break it down. Forecasting. This word comes from forecast, which means to predict or estimate a future event or trend. Tool. In this context, a tool refers to an instrument or device used to carry out a particular function. Therefore, a forecasting tool is a device or system used to make predictions about future events or trends. Forecasting tools can vary widely depending on their use. Let's look at a few examples. 1. Weather forecasting tools. These include satellites, radars, and computer models to predict weather conditions. 2. Business forecasting tools. Businesses use tools like market analysis software, financial models, and trend analysis to predict future market behaviors or sales. 3. Personal planning tools. Simple calendars or apps that help individuals plan future events or schedules can also be considered as forecasting tools. Forecasting tools play a crucial role in decision-making. They help in planning. Whether it's a company or an individual, forecasting helps in making informed decisions about the future. Risk management. By anticipating future events, forecasting tools can help mitigate potential risks. Resource allocation. In business or personal finance, these tools aid in efficient allocation of resources based on future predictions. I hope this explanation has helped you understand what a forecasting tool is and its significance in various aspects of life. Remember, learning a language also involves understanding how words and phrases apply in real-world contexts. Keep exploring and expanding your English vocabulary. See you in our next video.